Hey, how you going? This time I'm gonna presentation a new video for the other case about my material from the school. So Instituto Tecnológico Superior de Huichapan, Business Management, Engineering, class English, teacher name Valerio Trejo Victor, student name González Chávez Joan Enrique. I choose this one, sustainable development. I like that kind. You see that picture? Online that work is working about up there the wall. So it's a nice pic. Astra has more regions and countries develop their tourism industry. It produces significant impacts on the natural resource consumption patterns, pollution, and social systems. The need for the sustainable, responsible planning and management is an imperative for the industry to survive as a whole. Well, um, what is sustainable development? Well, that term mm, probably is applied to the economic and social developments that allows meetings and the needs of the present without operating the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. So that's a nice sustainability factors. We have three of those: the environment, the society, and the economy. Well, the sustainable development has a three, as I said before, components that must be taken into account and probably are the equally important to the achieve a better future for the us all around the world because we need the green stuff so be sustainably and keeping what is the applications probably can be identify the interactions between the natural factors and human interactions between the fabrics or other stuff, something like that. And other stuff can be recognize the importance or the impact that different economic models have on environments all around. Well, I'll try to explain what is the sustainable development. I hope you understand, teacher. Well, I'm finished for now. Thank you. Bye bye.